Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance. Airbus faces major aircraft troubles. Airbus faces multiple aircraft issues, including A320neo engine failures grounding 600,650 planes in 2024, A350 component failures disrupting flights, and A220 reliability concerns delaying deliveries. Historical A320 incidents, A330neo valve issues, and A380 inefficiencies add to challenges. Fatal crashes, like AirAsia 8501, highlight technical and human factors. Production delays and external risks, such as bird strikes, further complicate operations, impacting airlines and safety perceptions. 1. A320neo engine issues. The Airbus A320neo family, powered by Pratt & Amp Whitney PW1100G engines, has faced significant reliability issues due to manufacturing defects in the geared turbofan engines. In 2023, it was reported that these problems would ground 600,650 aircraft globally in 2024, peaking in the first half of the year, affecting airlines like Frontier, Hawaiian, and JetBlue. This has led to capacity reductions and increased operational costs for carriers. 2. A350 engine component failure. In September 2024, Cathay Pacific grounded its entire A350 fleet after identifying an engine component failure on an A350-1000 during a flight. This incident led to the inspection of 48 aircraft, with 15 requiring repairs, causing significant disruptions, including the cancellation of 34 round-trip flights, primarily in Asia. 3. Historical A320 family incidents. The Airbus A320 family has experienced several incidents, such as the 2006 EasyJet Flight 6074, which suffered a major electrical system failure, leading to a near collision with another aircraft due to inoperative systems like radios and TCAS. Similarly, in 2010, United Airlines Flight 634 faced landing gear issues, resulting in substantial aircraft damage upon landing. 4. A321 bird strike incident. In August 2019, Ural Airlines Flight 178, an Airbus A321, experienced a double-engine bird strike shortly after takeoff, forcing an emergency landing in a cornfield. While there were no fatalities, 23 passengers were hospitalized, highlighting the vulnerability of aircraft to external factors like bird strikes. 5. A330neo bleed system valve issue. In 2022, Airbus identified a critical issue with the A330neo's bleed system high-pressure valves, which could lead to damaging air leakage into the wing. Using its Skywise platform, Airbus analyzed data to issue an Emergency Airworthiness Directive (AD) to prevent potential catastrophic failures, demonstrating proactive safety measures. 6. A220 engine reliability concerns. The Airbus A220, powered by PW1500G engines, has faced reliability issues, prompting multiple airlines to ground fleets for inspections. These problems have delayed route launches for carriers like Breeze Airways, with delivery delays of 1 to 2 months reported in 2025, exacerbating supply chain challenges. 7. Production and delivery delays. Airbus has struggled with production bottlenecks, particularly with the A320neo and A321 variants, leading to a reduced delivery target in 2019. Supply chain issues, including engine shortages from Pratt & Amp Whitney, have forced airlines to cut routes and maintain older aircraft, impacting capacity plans for 2025. 8. A380 operational challenges. The Airbus A380, despite its innovative design, has faced operational and financial challenges due to its size and inefficiency. Its niche market and high maintenance costs have limited its adoption, with many airlines reactivating A380s temporarily due to delays in newer aircraft deliveries post-pandemic. 9. Fatal crashes. Airbus aircraft have been involved in several fatal incidents, such as Indonesia AirAsia Flight 8501 in 2014, which crashed due to a rudder limiter malfunction and crew errors, killing 162 people. Similarly, Metrojet Flight 9268, A321, in 2015 and Egyptair Flight 804, A320, in 2016 resulted in 224 and 66 fatalities, respectively, often due to a combination of technical issues and human factors. 10. Maintenance and external factors. Many Airbus incidents are not solely due to manufacturing defects but involve external factors like poor maintenance or environmental hazards. For instance, a 2020 incident involved an Airbus aircraft entangled with a pyrotechnic balloon, and a 2016 Boeing incident highlighted similar external risks, emphasizing the complexity of aviation safety. Conclusion. While Airbus has faced significant challenges, including engine reliability issues, production delays, and historical incidents, its proactive use of data platforms like Skywise and collaboration with regulatory bodies like EASA demonstrate a commitment to safety. However, supply chain constraints and external factors continue to pose challenges, impacting airline operations and public perception, especially in comparison to Boeing's more publicized issues. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.